like crow flies. Don't you see? He's got a nest high up above in the black oak tree. He says, I got a home, I got a home, I got a home in this world. Groundhog sits by his secret hole. If he gets scared, he just goes on down below. He says, I got a home, I got a home, I got a home in this world. Raccoon runs by the riverside. He's got a place to disappear to if he wants to hide. He says, I got a home, I got a home, I got a home in this world. Coyote howls at the burning moon. She's got a den and the little ones will be coming soon. She says, I got a home, I got a home, I got a home in this world. Rabbit hops into the briar patch. He's got a place below the black oak tree to take a nap. He says, I got a home, I got a home.